The DAX query view in Power BI Desktop provides a dedicated environment for writing, executing, and analyzing DAX queries against your semantic model. It offers a powerful way to interact with your data model without needing to create visuals, allowing for direct data exploration, measure testing, debugging, formatting, etc. So as you can see here on the navigation pane, if you go and click on DAX query, you have a new window. There is a pre-populated code as well there. And if you click on run, you can see the results in the results grid. On the top, you have a ribbon. You have several options there. You can use any of those options based on your needs. And let us try to click on run. Once you select this code and click on run in the results grid, the top 100 rows from this table are shown. This is pretty cool. You get a glimpse of the data which you're working on. If you go back to the table on the right and click on three ellipses, several options are available. Let us select quick queries and let us try to click on show column statistics. And as you can see, the code is pre-populated. There are a lot of information here, and you have your count, your mean, median, etc. A lot of statistical information. In case if you haven't started working on your data, it's pretty helpful to look at the data and understand the statistics as well. So let us try to go back to the table on the right and select another option from the available quick queries. Let me just go to the table on the right and let me click on the three ellipses, quick queries. Let me just select, say, define all measures in this model. I wrote several measures already. I have written 8 measures here. As you can see, you can define a measure, and you can, in case if you like it, you can update the model with the changes. And these are the various measures. If you hover over the measure, you have that information as well, nicely formatted. So IntelliSense is showing you all those things. Pretty cool. And in case if you want, you can update the model with the changes. So let us try to look at the practical example so that we can understand better. So as you can see on the bottom, there are 3 queries already. And if you go back to the table and let us try to select quick queries and define new measure. Like I said, you can define a measure. So for example, the pre-populated measure is there. It's trying to count the number of rows in the table. In case if you want, you can rename the measure itself here, and you can maybe let me name it as number of rows. And once I do that and evaluate, I can see the results in the results grid. Or in case if I'm happy, I can just click on update model with changes. Let me do that. And once I click on that, I have a other window. I confirm, and the model is updated. It's pretty cool. You can define measures. You can look at your data before actually using any measures. So this is pretty cool and helpful. Keep using DAX Query View. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.